What's up, guys? Welcome back. Kuma from, that's his name, right? Kuma from One Piece. That big sort of panda bear looking dude. So, I'm in a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, go too fast. I wanted to fit in like his palm of his hand and stuff, right? So he's mostly body, his head's real small. So I'll zoom in up here, okay? But just to get scale, we'll start with the top of his hat, okay? So we'll curve a line across and down, okay? So that's the size of, that's the width of his head, right? So I'll zoom in now for you. So the other side of his hat sort of comes out from behind, goes up, real triangular, down, like so. And kind of like a line coming across the top, and then lots of those circles, like panda spots or something. And then his ears, teddy bear ears, circles coming out from there. Right, and then, so his eyes come out from underneath and they're like square, right? They kind of come down diagonally, both of them, and then you just join this across here. So down, down, join it across here. And sometimes they can be dark, like thickened up, sort of line around his eyes like that. And his nose, so we got like some nose lines just in here. And in One Piece, they like to go sort of straight down and curve it around and back up. And then his nostrils, up and down there. So his mouth, real big serious mouth, across, down. And then his bottom lip, there. So he's got these long hair, but he's got sort of like cheekbones and stuff that stick out. So like his cheekbones come out here, down. And then the shape for his face, kind of, it's like his hair kind of curves down, bumps down this way. And then he's got these like jaws or something here. And they go underneath his big collar that comes across his neck, right? So comes across his chin even. Cuts across like that. And then this will go down the back. And it kind of like bumps out a couple of times here, and eventually we'll go down his shoulder. And his shoulders are really big. So we'll do his hair first. So just this curly hair at the back. Doesn't have to, I'm not being careful about that now or anything, it's just like bumpy down like that. And he's got a big shoulder coming off here, right? So up, out there, and this will go down off the page. His shoulder, we can't see his shoulder over this side because of his hand, okay? But I'll do the hand in a minute. We'll just get this done here. So like zipper sort of line, right? And it'll bump over fold lines. So you'll bump like this and then go down. Okay, and he's got that white pattern, so it curves from here, bump around your folds. This goes down, down. It's like a big circle. It kind of goes around his body here. So you don't go the whole way around. So it's like, say, there, and then he's got an armpit line like that. And his arm is there. So then the other side, right about the same level, side of his body. His arm sticks out here. Right, and then the inside of this, we've got like a square. And then this comes around. Then another square. And then this goes down that way. Down there. Square. And this goes down here. And then we can just see a bit under his arm. Like so. Right, so then his hand. So you can do his hand, or you could just do the shoulder if you don't like doing hands, which I totally understand. But we'll do the hand with his panda pad. I've seen him with sort of the laser shooter in the hand if you don't want to do the panda thing as well. So it's up to you. I'll do the panda pad. So index finger comes up this way. Right, kind of turns at the knuckles. And then this comes across. And like that, one finger, next finger, around and down, simple sort of designed fingers. And then this comes up, around, down. Then the next one, across, change direction for knuckles. Like so, down to there, and then this curves down around the big palm of his hand, this sort of W kind of shape, up to his thumb, which sticks out here, back that way. So hands are tricky now, so pause it there if you need to have a go with that. So I'll just join it up to his sleeve, right? So we've got like his wrist sort of comes down under here. And then what we can see of his sleeve, let me see. I just have to brighten up my picture because I can't. It's not drawn in. Okay, so like this, right? So like just comes up, around, like that, and then like some armpit lines here. It's unusual that they don't actually draw in his sleeve here, so I'm gonna, so like there's a wrist here, which will go down around that way. Should anyway, that's the way I would draw it. Okay. And then his panda pad on his hand. So you've got like little circles just under each finger. Four. And then a bigger pad here with a small circle on the end of it. Like a wrist bone there, like a little circle like that. I think we can see some fingernails just like here. All right. But I think that's everything. That is how to draw Kuma from One Piece. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Well, I may actually just thicken up some of these lines. So just darkened up some of those edge lines, help them stand out a little bit more. Sometimes that helps. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.